What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? We're back for the weekly injury report going into Arlington. Well, let's start with the 450s because obviously those are the big money boys. And Dylan Ferrandis, there has been some video of him riding. Apparently, he's going to be out for Arlington, hoping to be back for Daytona, which not bad. He would already be out of the championship points by this, missing a whole race. So for him, it's not a bad thing. It's probably a smart thing to take the extra week. Know that you're 100%, move on, and be good about it. Again, Brendan Hartranft, he's going to be in every one of these because he's always going to be injured until, well, hopefully soon he's feeling better. But again, in the comments below, not the comments below, in the description below, the link to his Road to Recovery thing will be there if you feel like going and donating. Check it out down below. Marvin Musquin, we found out this week, is out with a broken scaphoid, if I remember right. In his hand or wrist and somewhere around there. So he's out indefinitely. So we won't see him until maybe next year, next Supercross year. Alex Ray is out with a thumb injury. He broke it in Tampa. So he says he'll be maybe back by Indianapolis, but if not by then, he's confident he'll be lining up in Detroit. So that's not bad. Justin Rodbell, Achilles tendon. Again, another one of those year-long things out. Justin Starling, after all the beating up he's taken this year, he's in. And Malcolm Stewart, we know with his knee injury and the subsequent surgery to it, he'll be out too. And since we're going back east, we got a different set of guys. And Vince Friese, who really cares? I don't know why he's even listed here. He hasn't raced all year because he's quote-unquote banged up. So either he's got a serious injury that they don't feel like talking about, or he's just, who knows? Don't care, honestly. Seth Hammaker, he's out. Big surprise. He rides a green bike. He's destroyed this year. Preston Kilroy with both of his broken wrists. He's out. Garrett Marchbanks with a wrist injury. He's out. Colin Park with the head and shoulder, what was a head and shoulder injury. He's in. Nick Romano, knee, out. Joe Shimoda, collarbone, green bike. Big surprise, out. And Jalik Swoll with the arm injury that he sustained, out. Apparently that's going to be filled in with Talon Hawkins, sorry, not Taylor. So, comments below, you tell me. Who do you think's going to win this week? I don't know. Tell me whatever you want. Do you think that the green bike is cursed? Do you think eventually Carson Mumford might ride it because he's supposed to be the fill-in? How do you think Talon Hawkins is going to do for the fill-in for Swoll? Apparently also RJ Hampshire might be riding the 450 instead of Malcolm Stewart as a fill-in ride. So tell me how you think he's going to do. In the comments below, tell me whatever you want. Who's going to win this race? 450s, 250s. Do all the fun things that you can. As you're scrolling down to comment, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do. Because obviously, playing the YouTube algorithm game, it's very helpful for me and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see you all later. Peace.